Did you know you can walk around the famous Grand Prix street circuit of Monaco? Yes, you heard that right. Nestled on the French Riviera, Monaco, the second smallest country in the world, boasts a grandeur that far surpasses its size. This enigmatic city-state steeped in luxury and opulence offers an intriguing blend of history, glamour, and of course, adrenaline-pumping racing. Let's take a quick jaunt back in time. Monaco was founded by the Greeks as the colony of Monaikos in the 6th century BC. Over the centuries, it has been ruled by various powers, including the Romans, the Genoese, and the French. Today, it stands as a proud, independent nation under the rule of the Grimaldi family, who have been the sovereign rulers since the 13th century. What makes Monaco so special, you ask? Well, it's the epitome of sophistication and elegance. With its glitzy casinos, luxury yachts, and a regal palace, Monaco exudes an aura of affluence. But that's not all. The city-state is also home to one of the most prestigious motor racing events in the world, the Monaco Grand Prix. Imagine this. The air is charged with excitement. The roar of engines echoes through the streets. The streets of Monaco transform into a high-speed racetrack as some of the world's best drivers navigate the sharp turns and narrow lanes at breakneck speed. It's not just a race, it's a spectacle, a celebration of speed and precision that has been a part of Monaco's identity since the early 20th century. But don't worry, you don't have to be a racer to experience the thrill. You can walk the very same route, tracing the tire tracks left by racing legends. And the best part? We're going to guide you through it, and much more. From the sun-kissed beaches to the panoramic vistas, from the historic landmarks to the vibrant nightlife, we'll take you on a detailed journey through Monaco, unveiling its best-kept secrets and must-visit spots. Keep watching as we delve deeper into the wonders of Monaco. Stay tuned, because you're in for a treat. The grandeur of Monaco awaits. First, let's take a pit stop at the world-renowned Monaco Grand Prix. Imagine the thrill of the race cars roaring down the streets, the crowd cheering, the smell of burnt rubber. This event has been a staple in the Formula One calendar since the Roaring '20s. What sets this Grand Prix apart is the unique street circuit. Picture the cars zipping through the narrow roads, around tight corners, and even through a tunnel. And here's the best part. When it's not race day, you can walk this legendary circuit yourself. Feel the adrenaline rush as you tread the same path that racing legends have graced. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, a must for any travel bucket list. And yes, we will give you all the details on how to book a guided walking tour of this circuit at the end of the video. Ready to fuel up your travel adventure? We have more to explore. Monaco isn't just about Grand Prix. There's more to see and do. The city-state is a tapestry of rich history, glamour, and breathtaking landscapes. Let's embark on a journey through some of Monaco's must-see spots. First up is the Prince's Palace. This grand abode of Monaco's rulers dates back to the 13th century. Perched atop the Rock of Monaco, the palace offers stunning views of the Mediterranean. Don't miss the changing of the guard ceremony at precisely 11:55 a.m. A unique travel tip? Visit during the summer when the palace's staterooms are open to the public. Next, venture into the exotic Jardin Exotique. This garden is home to the world's largest succulent and cactus collection. Its hillside location affords panoramic views of the French Riviera. Remember to wear comfortable shoes as the terrain can be quite steep. Then there's the Oceanographic Museum, a marine world nestled in a grandiose historical building. Here you can explore over 6,000 marine species. The museum offers a unique opportunity to touch some of the sea creatures in the touch tank. Fun fact, the museum was directed by legendary ocean explorer Jacques Cousteau for over 3 decades. Lastly, take a stroll around Monaco's charming old town, Monaco Ville. This pedestrian-only district is filled with narrow, winding medieval lanes. You'll find quaint shops, delightful restaurants, and picturesque views at every turn. My travel tip? Try the local barbajuan, a delicious pastry filled with Swiss chard and ricotta. Monaco also boasts the world-renowned Monte Carlo Casino. Even if you're not a gambling enthusiast, the casino's lavish architecture is worth admiring. For a unique experience, visit at night when the building is beautifully lit up. These are just a few of the many gems Monaco has to offer. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a thrill seeker, Monaco's diverse attractions promise an unforgettable experience. So grab your walking shoes, your camera, and your sense of adventure, and let Monaco enchant you. Now, when to visit and what to be aware of. Well, Monaco is a delight year-round, but spring and fall are particularly enchanting. The weather is mild, the scenery is breathtaking, and the Monaco Grand Prix in late May is an experience you won't want to miss. In terms of local customs, Monaco is a cosmopolitan city, but it's also steeped in tradition. Take note of the dress code: casual chic during the day and more formal attire in the evening, especially when dining at upscale restaurants or visiting the famous Casino de Monte Carlo. Speaking of the casino, remember that it's not just a place to gamble, but a symbol of Monaco's history and elegance, so behave accordingly. Also, bear in mind that the Monegasques, the native people of Monaco, are proud of their culture and heritage. Respect their traditions and join in their celebrations whenever you get a chance. With these tips, you'll fit right in with the locals. Hungry for more? Let's talk about Monaco's cuisine. Monaco, nestled on the French Riviera, boasts a vibrant culinary scene that's a delightful fusion of Italian, French, and Mediterranean flavors. Seafood is a staple here, with fresh catches from the Mediterranean gracing many a plate. Look forward to dishes like the Baba Juan, a Monaco specialty that's a savory stuffed pastry often filled with Swiss chard, ricotta, and herbs. Monaco is also home to a bounty of Michelin-starred restaurants. The exquisite Louis XV Alain Ducasse at the Hôtel de Paris, for instance, offers an unforgettable gastronomic experience. But for those seeking a taste of local life, nothing beats the bustling Condamine market, where stallholders sell everything from fresh produce to local delicacies. Also, don't forget to sample Monaco's national drink, pastis, an anise-flavored spirit that's perfect for sipping in the warm Mediterranean sun. Whether you're a foodie or just someone who enjoys good eats, Monaco's cuisine is sure to satisfy your cravings. Ready to explore Monaco like a local? Now that you've explored the rich history, vibrant culture, and delectable cuisine of Monaco, it's time to delve deeper. One of the best ways to truly immerse yourself in the authentic Monaco experience is by opting for local tours and guided experiences. Imagine strolling down the iconic Monaco Grand Prix circuit, feeling the exhilaration of the world's most prestigious Formula One racecourse under your feet. This isn't just a dream, you can actually book a guided walking tour of the track. As you walk the same path that racing legends have driven, an experienced local guide narrates the story of the circuit, its thrilling history, and iconic moments. It's an experience that combines history, culture, and a dash of adrenaline. Truly a must-do for any racing enthusiast. But the exploration doesn't stop there. Monaco, though small, is brimming with hidden gems, and the best way to discover them is by hopping aboard a sightseeing bus tour. These tours are a fantastic way to get an overview of the city-state, from the glitz of Monte Carlo to the tranquil beauty of the Jardin Exotique. You'll have the freedom to hop on and off at various points of interest, making it a flexible and convenient way to explore at your own pace. Local guides with years of experience and a passion for their city lead these tours. Their insights and anecdotes provide a unique perspective that goes beyond what you'll find in any guidebook. They'll introduce you to hidden corners, local favorites, and even the best spots to capture that perfect Instagram shot. Booking these tours is a breeze too. We've provided links in the video description to help you find the best local tours. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an adventure seeker, there's a tour tailored to your interests. Remember, the best way to experience Monaco is through the eyes of a local. So why wait? Dive into the Monaco experience and uncover the magic of this Mediterranean gem. That's a wrap on our ultimate travel guide to Monaco. We've journeyed through the historic Grand Prix circuit, explored the grandeur of the Principality, and indulged in the distinct flavors of Monaco cuisine. We've unveiled the best times to visit, local customs to respect, and highlighted the star attractions that make Monaco a gem on the French Riviera. Remember, the best way to immerse yourself in the Monaco experience is by exploring with local guides who bring their own unique insights and expertise. Whether it's a guided walking tour of the Formula One track or a hop-on, hop-off sightseeing bus tour, the links in the video description are your passport to unforgettable adventures. Before you set off on your own Monaco journey, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more comprehensive travel guides for you. Don't forget to check out the other amazing travel guides offered by Travel Day Trip Ideas. Until next time, safe travels!